In front of me is Samsung Tab S10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to Access, Security and Privacy. Then scroll down to hit Permission Manager. Then click on any feature you wish to manage and select an app, like for example Chrome. Over here, apply the best option for you by clicking on it and go back. If you are interested in managing one of your apps instead, you can pick any feature. Locate your app over here, and after tapping on it, select See All Permissions at the bottom. Then manage all of those the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!